In ancient Egypt, science was not just knowledge, it was a way of life. Mathematics allowed scribes to calculate land, harvests, and taxes with astonishing accuracy. Geometry guided architects as they built pyramids and temples aligned perfectly with the stars. Astronomers observed the heavens, creating calendars and predicting the floods of the Nile that sustained their civilization. Physicians recorded diagnoses and treatments, blending practical remedies with sacred rituals, while alchemists experimented to transform matter and create precious metals. Every measurement, every observation, every calculation reflected a blend of practicality, spirituality, and ingenuity. From medicine to architecture, the Egyptians showed that science and daily life were inseparable, leaving a legacy that still inspires us today. Subscribe for more secrets of ancient Egypt, Red Heart.